Think she loves you? Be careful. A miss you text might just be a breeze in the wind. Not every sweet message comes from a sincere heart. Sometimes, silence speaks the loudest truths. If you really want to know how deeply a woman loves you, don't listen to her words. Watch what she does when no one's watching. Let's keep it real. A lot of guys out here think that every "I miss you" text means she's falling for them. But truth is, it doesn't. Words are easy, anyone can say anything. But actions are truth. They're the map, the manual, the real love. Letter. Today, I'm going to walk you through 6 things women only do for the man they truly love. Not for the guy she's just talking to, not for the one who's just kinda cool, but for the one who owns her heart fully, deeply, with no backup plan. Once you understand these signs, you won't fall for hollow gestures again. So let's dive in. Sign number 1. She takes care of you without being asked. When a woman truly loves a man, something within her shifts. She becomes this quiet force in the background, observing, giving, supporting, not because you begged or demanded, but because she wants to. She'll hand you your coffee before you even think of making it. She'll see the tiredness in your eyes before you say a word. She'll remember the little things, your meeting today, your lunch, how you're holding up emotionally. And let's be clear, this isn't about gender roles. It's not about being submissive. It's about emotional depth. When a woman's heart is all in, your peace becomes a peace. Your growth becomes a mission. Your success feels like her own. But here's the hard truth. She won't do this for just anyone. She won't rearrange her life for a maybe. She won't fold your laundry if you're just filling space. She won't cook soup when you're sick if she's still swiping through dating apps. This kind of care, quiet, steady, daily love, only shows up when she's made her choice, when her walls are down and her heart is fully exposed. So, next time you're wondering where you stand with a woman, don't just listen to what she says. Watch what she does when no one's watching. That's the real love story unfolding. Sign 2. She defends you when you're not around. Want to know if she loves you? Pay attention to how she talks about you when you're not there. Does her face light up when your name comes up? Does she defend your name like it's her own? Does she stop her friends from clowning you? Shut down the jokes that are really digs, because here's the truth. If she doesn't care, she'll stay quiet. She'll let it slide. She'll laugh along when someone mocks your flaws. She becomes your silent armor when someone calls you to quiet or says you're a bit intense. She might just nod, unbothered. But don't let that calm expression fool you. A woman who loves you becomes your invisible shield. She'll correct even her closest friend without hesitation. She'll say, "Don't talk about him like that," and she'll mean it, even if the room grows tense, even if the moment turns awkward. She'll risk the comfort of everyone else to defend your dignity. Why? Because defending someone in their absence, that's real loyalty. That's love that doesn't need applause. To her, you're not just her man. You're part of her identity. Your name, your reputation, your integrity, they matter to her as deeply as her own. So if you ever question how deep her love truly runs, ask yourself, what does she say about me when I'm not around? Because if she can't defend you in your absence, she doesn't deserve your presence. Sign number 3. She becomes emotionally exclusive long before any label. This one's subtle. So subtle you might miss it if you're not paying close attention. You might think exclusivity starts when you both sit down and say, "Let's make it official." But when a woman truly loves you, that shift happens well before any DT or talk. She begins fading out the guys in her DMs, not because you asked, but because they just don't matter anymore. She gently distances herself from male friends with blurry boundaries. She stops going to places, saying yes to certain fun situations, or engaging with energy that might make you feel uneasy, not out of fear, not out of obligation, but out of deep respect. Her heart made the decision long before her lips said a word. She's already yours before you ever asked her to be. And here's the key difference. It's not about the selfies. It's not the cute texts. It's the quiet sacrifices she makes, the kind no one sees and no one's keeping score. What makes all of this even more powerful? She's not doing any of it because you told her to. She's not bending under pressure. She's not seeking approval. She's choosing you, quietly, daily, with intention in her heart. You're already her man. And to risk what she's building with you, that's not a price she's willing to pay. She stops the attention-seeking posts not out of insecurity, but out of respect for what's being built. She doesn't post thirst traps anymore, not because she feels less attractive, but because she respects the intimacy she's cultivating with you. She doesn't accidentally end up partying till 3 a.m. with her ex's friends. She doesn't keep one foot out the door just in case. Instead, you'll notice a shift. She becomes more grounded, more private, less performative, because real love doesn't put itself on display, it protects itself. And when a woman begins to treat what you have like it's sacred, you're no longer just a date, you're her emotional center of gravity. So don't get caught up in the label. Pay attention to her behavior before the ring, before the status update. If she's already acting like she's yours without the public declaration, that's love. And if she's not, deep down, you already know. Sign number 4, she adapts to your world without losing herself. This is where the real distinction begins between a girl just passing the time and a woman who's fully in. When a woman truly loves you, she doesn't try to take over your life. She doesn't compete with your purpose. She doesn't try to shrink your passion to make room for hers. She doesn't drag you off your path just to feel safer. Instead, she learns your rhythm. She studies your ambition like it's a language she wants to speak fluently. She finds ways to fit into your world, not by fading into the background, but by complementing your journey. She shows up at your games, your shoots, your events, not as a guest, but as someone who believes in your mission. She learns what matters to you, not because it's her thing, but because you are. But don't get it twisted. She doesn't lose herself in the process. She's still her, bold, vibrant, independent. But she chooses to build with you, not around you. That's rare. That's powerful. That's love with both feet in. She doesn't resist your flow. She learns to move with it. Not to impress, not to manipulate, but because she genuinely wants to understand the man she chose. You're into late night workouts. She's not rolling her eyes. She's not guilt-tripping you. She's cool with the 11 p.m. post-gym call, listening while you talk about gains and goals, because that's your space and she wants to be part of it. You're building something. You're focused. You're not available for 3-hour texting marathons. She gives you space to grow, not space to drift. She brings presence, not pressure. Even in your silence, she finds ways to say, I see you. I support you. I'm here. She doesn't just ask, how was your day? She digs deeper. She wants to know, what keeps you up at night? What's the vision? Who are your mentors? She learns the names of the people who guide you. She understands the meaning behind your daily rituals. She listens for the unspoken battles you fight in silence. But here's what sets her apart. She doesn't lose herself. She's still on her own journey, still pursuing her dreams, still showing up in her full, radiant self. She doesn't vanish into your world. She integrates. She becomes the melody to your beat, adding harmony, not noise. She's not a distraction, not a detour. She's not looking for a life to hide inside. She's looking for a man to build a life with. And brother, that right there, that's love. Not the fireworks Sandro's kind of love, but the quiet, unwavering kind, the kind that says, I choose you again and again. So if she's adjusting to your world, supporting your path, without shrinking who she is, you're not just lucky. You've got something sacred. Because real love, it's not about control. It's about alignment. Sign number 5, she sees your darkness and stays anyway. Want to know if a woman truly loves you? Let her see the moments you usually hide. Let her witness the collapse. The night you doubted everything. The night your voice cracked. Your eyes didn't sparkle. They burned with pain. Most women want the highlight reel. The drive. The charm. The man who's always composed. But the one who really loves you, she stays when the curtain drops. She doesn't flinch when you open the door to your shame. She doesn't walk away when you reveal the mistakes you regret. She doesn't collect your insecurities like ammunition. She sits in the mess with you. She doesn't rush to fix it. She doesn't silence the storm. She holds space. She listens. She honors your silence with the same tenderness as your words. And here's the most surprising part. She doesn't pity you. She respects you more. Because to her, vulnerability isn't weakness, it's trust. It's proof that you let her see you without the armor. And in that space, something powerful happens. She becomes your mirror, not just reflecting who you are, but showing you glimpses of who you're becoming. She doesn't love you despite your flaws. She loves you through them. She may challenge you. She may call you out. She'll hold you to your higher self, but never in a way that makes you feel unworthy of love just because you're still healing. Because real love doesn't demand perfection. It embraces growth. This kind of love, it's rare, it's powerful. It's a loyalty that can't be faked, can't be forced. Because love isn't just proven by how someone celebrates your wins. It's revealed in how they carry your brokenness. If she stays in the dark, not out of fear, not out of obligation, but because something in her soul recognizes yours, brother, don't take that lightly. And if something in you stirred, if you thought, damn, maybe she really does love me, don't let that thought slip away. Hold on to it. Sign number 6. She inspires you to rise. Without saying a word, some women will talk about change. They'll give you deadlines, lists, ultimatums, but the woman who truly loves you, she doesn't demand growth, she evokes it. You look at her, and suddenly mediocrity feels uncomfortable. You want to step up, not to win her love, but because her presence reminds you of the man you are when you're fully alive. She doesn't have to preach. She is the message. Her presence alone calls you higher. She walks with grace, strength, purpose. And something in you whispers, it's time to level up. Not from pressure, but from purpose. She'll hold you accountable. She'll believe in you before you even believe in yourself. She sees purpose in your pain, potential in your chaos, and she'll never let you forget that it's there. That's not just love, that's legacy. Because when a woman truly loves you, she doesn't just fit into your life, she helps shape the man you're becoming. And that kind of bond, it doesn't fade. It's the kind that turns ordinary men into unstoppable ones. Sign number 7, she gives you peace, not just passion. Anyone can make your heart race. Anyone can light your fire, stir your desire, give you butterflies for a while. But the woman who truly loves you, she brings peace. Not the boring kind, not silence masked as calm, but that deep, soul-level stillness that says, you're safe here. You don't feel like you have to perform. You're not being tested. You don't have to guess where you stand. And you don't have to fear falling short. You just get to be you, and she's still there. Your nervous system can finally breathe. You're not tiptoeing through conversations. You're not chasing her approval. You're just home. And home like that, it's rare. Because passion fades, excitement comes and goes. But peace, that's the real foundation love is built on. She'll still excite you, still challenge you, still stir every part of your soul. But beneath all of it, she offers something most people can't. A space where you can just be you, without fear. No masks, no guessing games, no emotional roller coasters. That kind of love, it doesn't just shift your relationship, it shifts your entire life. If you've made it this far and something inside you resonates, subscribe to Stoicism Philosophy Daily. Because here, we don't do fluff, no fairy tales, no surface-level advice. We go deeper into the mindset, presence, and quiet strength it takes to walk like a man who knows his worth. And now, I want to hear from you. If you've ever had a woman who grounded you like an anchor in a storm, or if you're still holding space for the one who will, type the word anchor in the comments. Because when a woman truly loves you, she doesn't drift. She doesn't disappear with the breeze. She roots herself in you, solid, still, undeniable. This video is not just a checklist to help you recognize when a woman truly loves you. It's a deeper message for men who are on a journey of growth, self-awareness, and building relationships that are real, grounded, and transformative. True love doesn't need to be loud. It doesn't come with dramatic promises or expensive gifts. It reveals itself quietly in presence, in consistency, and in how she stands beside you through both light and darkness. She loves you through the little things without needing recognition. She inspires you to rise, not through pressure, but simply by being herself. She brings you peace, not just passion. And most importantly, real love doesn't make you lose yourself. It helps you remember who you are. This video is for the men who've loved, who are loving, or who are still saving space in their heart for something real. A kind of love that's strong enough to be a safe place, but deep enough to awaken the best version of you. This isn't about finding the one. It's a call to become the man worthy of that kind of love.